Course PDF. Finally, a proven step-by-step system that shows you how to SEO your YouTube videos so they rank on top even if you're a beginner. Step-by-step guide, how to SEO your YouTube video to rank on top. A focused, practical PDF guide that cuts through the noise and gives you the exact structure and approach to make YouTube understand and surface your videos faster. No fluff, no unproven hacks. Instant download. Read on any device. Designed for creators who want clarity, speed, and consistent results. Why this PDF exists and who it's for. If you create videos and you feel like YouTube is a black box, if your content is good but your views don't match the work you put in, this guide is built for you. It's for creators who are tired of guessing, tired of viral hacks that don't scale, and ready for a repeatable process that helps YouTube recognize and test their content with the right audience. This is not a surface-level checklist. It's a compact, practical PDF that provides the structure and decisions you need, the ones that matter in the first hours and days after upload, when YouTube decides whether to amplify your video. Who sees the biggest gains from this guide? Beginners who want a clear, step-by-step playbook. Experienced creators who want to tighten pre-upload processes. Small teams and solo creators who need a low-cost, repeatable routine. Anyone who wants to reduce wasted effort and get measurable improvement. The transformation you get. This PDF focuses on outcomes. After you apply the guide, you will clarity. Know exactly which steps to take before you upload so YouTube understands your video immediately. Confidence. Stop guessing titles, tags, or descriptions. Use consistent decisions that make sense for your niche and audience. Speed. Reduce the time between edit and publish with a repeatable checklist that fits into your workflow. Measurable results. A practical approach to checking early signals so you can iterate quickly and improve retention and discovery. This is a results-focused PDF, not theory. Use it to reduce random testing and focus on what moves the algorithm and your audience. What you'll receive: brief. When you purchase, you'll receive a clean, well-organized PDF file designed to be used immediately. It's written to be action-oriented and easy to implement. Clear, step-focused guidance you can apply on your next upload. Practical checklists that fit into any creator workflow. Examples of choices to make: title approach, tagging strategy, thumbnail decisions, described at a strategic level so you can adapt to your channel. How to verify early signal and what to watch in the first 72 hours. Quick templates and prompts you can copy: title prompts, description blueprint, tag selection method. Note: the PDF contains actionable direction and templates. It does not require expensive tools. Recommendations include optional tools you may already know, but the methods are tool agnostic and can be used with free resources. You keep full control of your channel and content choices. This guide simply shortens the learning curve and helps you make high-impact decisions. Why this format works. Short form, practical PDFs are powerful because they highlight the exact moments where YouTube weighs decisions on visibility. Reduce noise, you get specific actions, not endless theory. Make onboarding simple, you or a team member can follow the same blueprint consistently. Are portable, read on your phone or print a checklist for the studio. Quick example of impact, non-technical. When creators apply consistent pre-upload decisions, they often see improved early watch patterns and faster algorithmic testing, which means more impressions and a higher chance to be recommended. This guide focuses on those early, high-leverage actions. Limited offer: instant PDF access. Get the full PDF right now, download instantly, and apply the system to your next upload. The price is intentionally affordable so creators at any stage can use it. $3.39. Instant download, read on any device. Secure checkout. No subscription. One-time payment. You keep the PDF and can reference it whenever you need. Limited time bonuses. To help you implement faster, this offer includes a small set of practical bonuses delivered with the PDF. Bonus 1: Quick Implementation Checklist, Printable. A one-page printable checklist you can keep on your desktop or in the studio so nothing is missed during upload. Bonus 2: Title and Description Prompt Pack. Short prompts and starting lines to help you write clear, search-focused titles and first paragraph descriptions. Bonuses are designed to speed execution, not replace the main guide. They are simple and focused assets you can use immediately. 30-day money-back guarantee. Risk-free purchase. If you buy the PDF and feel it did not help you structure uploads more effectively, email dgcolrcom@gmail.com within 30 days for a full refund. No questions asked. How to use this PDF: Practical steps. This PDF is built to be used immediately. Here's a high-level way to approach it without reading everything at once. Skim the structure first, glance at the section headings to understand the flow. Apply one section at a time, don't overthink, follow the next upload routine exactly as outlined. Compare results, note changes in early performance and retention, repeat what improves metrics. This is a practice-first resource, not a theoretical textbook. The more you use it, the easier the process becomes. One-time payment, immediate access, no login required. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and / or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products.